Welcome back to the computer science class, children. As you learned in the previous class, a formula is a set of mathematical instructions that can be used in Excel to perform calculation. A formula in MS Excel starts with an is equal to symbol. Today's class, let us see arithmetic operation, addition. You can add numbers in many ways. Let us see addition using cell address. Step 1. In cell A1, type the number 10. Step 2. In cell A2, type the number 20. Now you have to add the values using a formula. Press enter key or click on the enter button in the formula bar will result in 30 getting displayed in the cell A3. Method 2. Addition using numbers. Step 1. In cell C3, you can directly type equal to 10 plus 20. Step 2. The result 30 will be displayed in the cell C3 after you pressing enter key or enter button in the formula bar. Another method, addition using AutoSum function from the formula bar. Type the values in your worksheet as given here. Select the cells from E3 to E5. Next, click the formula bar from the Home tab. Click the AutoSum function. The result is displayed in the cell E6. Similarly, you can add numbers in a row also. Let us see subtraction. You can subtract numbers in two ways. First method, subtraction using cell address. Second method, subtraction using numbers. Let us see multiplication. You can multiply numbers in two ways. Multiplication, the first method, multiplication using cell address. The second method, multiplication using numbers. You can also use product function when you have several numbers to multiply together. Let us see division. You can divide numbers in many ways. Divide using cell address. The another method of divide, division using numbers. Let us see exponentation. The exponent operator is used to square a number. The first method, exponentation using cell address. The another method, exponentation using numbers.